Dear students, welcome to lecture 2 of Engineering Mathematics 3 Unit 6 Functions of Complex Variables. Today we'll study the methods to find the harmonic conjugates. Now see, here is the example on harmonic conjugates. If u is equal to log of 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square and fz equal to u plus iv is analytic given, then you want to find fz in terms of z, means function you want to find complete, and find the value of v also. Now see what we'll be doing first. First we'll find the value of v and then we'll find the value of f of z. Now f of z is given analytic. This is the main thing for us. Function is given analytic. Now once function is given analytic, means for us what it is, it satisfies, you are knowing that it is satisfying what? CR equations. And we have seen what are the CR equations. First CR equation is delta u by delta x is equal to delta v by delta y, and delta v by delta x is equal to minus delta u by delta y. Now once we have written it is analytic, it satisfies the CR equations. Now we'll go through what is the given thing for us. Given thing is what? U is equal to 1 upon 2 log of x square plus y square. U is known, means you'll find the two derivatives. First derivative is delta u by delta x and second you'll find delta u by delta y. This is the first part. Now what is the derivative? Partial derivative with respect to x you are taking. 1 by 2 is constant, so written as it is. Log of x square plus y square, its derivative is 1 by x square plus y square. Again with respect to x derivative, that is what? 2x, and then your final answer is what? X upon x square plus y square. Now same way what you are doing? Finding delta u by delta y. Delta u by delta y will be same way y upon x square plus y square. Now once you found the two derivatives, delta u by delta x and delta u by delta y. Now what is the first step for us? We'll use the one of the CR equation. Now u is given and you want to find what? V. Now if you apply the first CR equation, what it happens? Delta v by delta y. Delta v by delta y is equal to what? Delta u by delta x. Means that is delta u by delta x is what? X upon x square plus y square. Now our aim is to find what? V. How you will find the V? Now by getting the integration. Integration with respect to what? Y, because delta v by delta y is given. Now take the integration on both sides. You will get the term as, right side will be integration of x upon x square plus y square with respect to y plus f of x. Now why we have taken the f of x here? Because you are integrating with respect to y and x term can be a constant, therefore constant part may contain the x term, so it is written as function of x. Now what you will take? Take the integration. What is the integration now? X is constant, so it is written as it is. Then integration of what? 1 upon x square plus y square, that will be what? 1 upon constant term into tan inverse of y by x and plus this constant term f of x. X and x is cancelled, so your answer is actually what now? Tan inverse of y by x plus f of x. Now here we got actually the value of what? V, but you can see that what V is containing here? F of x, and will require to find the value of f of x. So for finding that, what you are doing, the next step, that is now delta v by delta x I have written. Now derivative of tan inverse of y by x with respect to x, it will be 1 upon 1 plus square of this, that is y square upon x square. Again derivative of y by x, y is constant, means it will be minus y by x square, and derivative of f of x, that is what? F dash of x. So simplified form will be minus y by x square plus y square plus f dash of x. Now here you got v, from that you got delta v by delta x, but if you apply the second CR equation now, from that also you can get the delta v by delta x. Delta v by delta x will be equal to, we are knowing the formula deba v by deba x is equal to minus deba u by deba y, and that is minus y by x square plus y square. Now you see that this equation and this equation, will compare this. After comparing this, both are the values of deba v by deba x. What it shows that this must be what? 0. Means f dash of x is equal to 0. It means f of x is equal to constant. F of x is constant, then you get the final value of v is tan inverse of y by x plus f of x, and f of x is what? C. So actually we have reached till finding the value of v. U was given and we found the value of v. Now what was the next question for you? It was to find the f of z. F of z you are knowing that is u plus I. Let us put the value of u. U's value as 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. It is provided plus I into, you found the next value, that is I into tan inverse of y by x plus c. And question was find f z in terms of z. So you are going to apply which method? That is Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method is put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So if you put x is equal to z, x square is there here, so it will be 1 by 2 log of z square, and here y value is 0. If y is 0 means tan inverse of 0 is 0, means what is your answer? 1 by 2 log of z square plus c. And this 2 comes in front in the log term, and then 2 is cancelled. So what is the answer? Log z plus c. And finally you get the answer, f of z is equal to log of z plus c. This is the answer. And now I think you understood the steps, and the same way there is the second example. In short, we'll see the second example also. It is very similar, only the difference is what? Here v is provided to you. V is given 3x square y minus y cube, and you are finding u of xy and also f z, analytic function you are finding. What will be the steps now? Same thing. Again it is analytic. Analytic means it satisfies the CR equations. Here CR equations are written. Now in previous example we have started with u, and here you are starting with v. Why? Because v is given. V is given, then v is written here. If v is given, then you will be finding the derivatives of v. First derivative deba v by deba x, that is equal to 6xy. Derivative of this with respect to x, that is 6xy. And second is deba v by deba y. Derivative of this will be 3x square, and derivative of this will be minus 3y square. This is derivative, partial derivative with respect to y. Now once you got the derivative, this is our first step. Once you found the deba v by deba x and deba v by deba y, what is the next thing is, we'll be using the CR equations. Any CR equation you can use first or second. Here I have used the CR equation number 2. CR equation 2 is deba u by deba y. Why? See that now v is given and you want to find what? U. So you want deba u term. So what you are doing now? Deba u by deba y is equal to minus of deba v by deba x, and just put the value of deba v by deba x, then you will get here minus of 6xy. Now once you got a deba u by deba y and you want to find what? U, is naturally you are going to integrate it. Integrate with respect to what? Y. Integrating with respect to y, you will be getting integration right hand side minus 6xy with respect to y plus f of x, again y f of x, because integration is with respect to y, means constant term is f of x. Here integration is written and simplified form, you get u is equal to minus 3xy square plus f of x. Now once you got u, now you have reached till the step again u you found. But again what is there in u? U, there is a fx, and we need to find the value of fx. So the next step is taken. You are writing deba u by deba x. And that is equal to what? Minus 3y square. By using this you are finding this. Minus 3y square. And f of x derivative is what? F dash of x. Once you found this deba u by deba x by using this, and now from CR equation also you get deba u by deba x. Deba u by deba x is what here? 3x square minus 3y square. Which CR equation you are using now? Second was used already. Now you are using the CR equation first, and you got here del by u by del by x is equal to what? Minus 3x square minus 3y square. Now see, there are two values of del by u by del by x you got. First is minus 3y square plus f dash x, and second value is this 3x square minus 3y square. Means this both are same. They are equated. From this you get this 3y square and 3y square is cancelled. Then what you get? F dash of x is equal to 3x square. Naturally, by integrating you will get f of x is equal to integration of this, and integration will be x cube plus c. Now what you got? Got the value of f of x. You will be putting in value of u. So value of u is minus 3xy square plus this f of x is what? X cube plus c. And what is the next step actually now? Only to write that fz is equal to u plus iv. Put the values, then you will get at last. And again by Milne-Thomson method, replace it. Replace x by z and y by x by z and y by 0. Then we'll get the value of f of z. Actually this is what? F of z. F of z is equal to z cube